Hey guys, I'm Elliott, this is Everything Elliott, and we're at Brad's house, Firewood at the Furnace. He's got a YouTube channel, make sure you go check him out. He's got a bunch of Eastonmade products here. Brad's got like an Eastonmade demo day going on. If you guys don't know what an Eastonmade is, it's a commercial, probably one of the best log splitters you can get. They offer a wide range of log splitters, everything from small resplit machines to very, very, very large diesel-powered commercial splitters and even processors. We're gonna check some of the splitters out today. It's very noisy in there, so there might not be a lot of audio of me talking, but we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching, stick around. All right, guys, well, we're about finished up. Everybody's eating lunch now. Boy, oh boy, what a nice host, man. They provided lunch. You got to run all of these wood splitters, and we got a chance to run the 37D. What else did we run? 2228, 1222. It's a lot of firewood here. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Appreciate you guys. Stay warm, stay healthy, stay hydrated. Catch you on the next one.